Hello there, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so today we're going to be using the pressure cooker, and I want to show you how to make black eyed peas with a piece of smoked turkey wing in it and fried chicken wings. Of course, fried chicken wings is everyone's favorite. So you probably already know how to cook the fried chicken wings, maybe. But the idea I want to show you today is how little olive oil you need to use so that we can cut back on wasting olive oil because the price is very expensive and it's not necessary. So that's the purpose of the fried chicken today. I hope you enjoy it. Please give this a thumbs up right now for the chicken wings. Share the video and subscribe. Okay, so let's get started with our black eyed peas in the pressure cooker with the smoked turkey wing. Okay, let's do it. Thanks. Okay, so this is our insert that is came out of the pressure cooker that we're going to be using. So here I have a half a bag of black eyed peas that I washed, and I picked out any peas that look like it had a rotten spot on it. Alright. This is the bag of black eyed peas. You see it says 16 ounces right here. Okay? And I used a half a bag. See that? Alright, now we're going to add our piece of smoked turkey right here. So I won't need much salt, no salt at all actually, because when you smoke meat it already has salt on it. Okay, so now let's add some other items. I have a container here of dried tomatoes. If I can get this open. I got it open. Dried tomatoes are really just tomatoes that they have processed to dry them out. But what a great flavor it gives to food. So we're going to be putting that in there as well, so that the flavor can really come up. Okay. That was 0.240 pounds, and it was $4.99 a pound, and this package cost $1.20. See? Okay. All right. So I have some garlic here that I processed in the food processor. So you see it's not paste, it's has actually some texture to it. Okay, so this is a teaspoon. I'm going to put a teaspoon of garlic in there. I have some lemon pepper. Okay, and I have some Flavor Mate Original. It has a variety of things in it. It has onions, black pepper, celery seeds, basil, mustard, cayenne pepper, garlic, oil from a lemon. So we're going to put some of that in there. Now remember, seasoning is your choice, how much or little you put in. I'm putting quite a bit because I am not putting any salt. So I'm trying to bring that flavor up. And I'm going to put some cilantro in for color and flavor, but mostly for the color. Okay, that's about, I'd say, a tablespoon and a half of cilantro. Oh, did I show you the cilantro? Cilantro. Okay, and I'm not going to use the onion powder because I'm going to put fresh onions that I also ground up in the food processor. Let me get another spoon. One, two, three. I put 3 teaspoons of cut onions. Okay, we have all our ingredients in. Now we just need some water. This is a 3-ounce glass. That's one. Two. I'm gonna go 2.5. So that was 3 and 3 is 6, 7 ounces of water total. Okay. You just need the water to cover the meat. You see? So it almost covers the meat. But I think that's sufficient because remember, a pressure cooker, it's not going to boil, the water is not going to boil out. It will reduce some, but not as if you're cooking it on the stove. So it's going to retain some water. So we're good on that. Okay, so I'm going to stir that up. I think I want to put some olive oil in there. 1, 2, 3. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. That'll help. The olive oil will help soften up the black-eyed peas as they're cooking. Now you can also pre-soak them. I did not do that. I'm taking them straight from the package, washing them, and not pre-soaking them at all. Okay? Alright, so now we're going to put the insert into the pressure cooker. Let me turn the camera to the pressure cooker. Okay, so now that we've seasoned our chicken wings and we seasoned the flour and we put the chicken wings in the flour and we have the little piece of wing as a test in the oil to see how hot it is. It was very hot, so I cut the oil off for a few minutes while I give you the word of the day. And then we'll turn it back on and we'll be ready to go. And the reason why I'm turning the oil off is I don't want it too hot so that it browns on the outside but not on the inside. Okay? Alright. The word of the day. The word of the day is aging. Aging. We all will age year after year. And some of us don't like the idea of getting old. Maybe we dye our hair. Maybe we wear tighter clothes. Maybe we say that we don't have a stomach hanging over, even though we know we do. Guys usually will just pull their pants under the stomach so they say they're the same size. Aging. Aging is actually a good thing because what comes with age comes with wisdom. Because you learn a lot as you go along. So enjoy your age. It's okay. Because no matter what, you are going to age. So you might as well enjoy the ride. Okay? That's the word of the day. Aging. Do you want to age? Are you okay with it? Aging. Okay, let's get back to our chicken. I think our oil is ready now. I'm going to turn the fire back on. And we're going to be putting our chicken wings in right now. Let me show you. Okay, let's put it in. That's 4, and the last one is 5. Okay, it's all in. The flour's going in the trash. I'm going to wash my hands. Okay, I'm going to turn my fire up to number 6 now. Isn't that a great buy for $6.99? Oh my goodness. So I usually go down with $21 and I get 3 of them at a time. Great deal. Okay, so you can hear the chicken frying. I have a gas stove and it's on number 6. Okay? And the first thing I like to do as soon as I put it in, I like to turn them over to see. That lets me know how hot the grease is. If it's cooking too fast or what. See? Nope, that's a nice color. You see that? It's not burning or anything. There's no brown spots on it or nothing. So now I'm okay with the temperature of the oil. That's one way you can tell. Turn it over and see what's going on. You turn it over and you got some black spots, your fire is too hot. You need to turn it down. Okay, I'm going to give that 5 minutes and I'll bring you back. Thanks. Okay guys, our chicken has been cooking for about 8 minutes. I turned it over 3 times, okay? And as you can see, the oil is way down here. You see that? So you do not have to have a half of a frying pan of oil to fry chicken. And that's one of the reasons why people save oil, because they think it takes so much oil to fry chicken. So now I'm showing you that it doesn't. Okay? All you need to do is cover the bottom of the frying pan. That's it. Okay. This is a rack that came out of my air fryer. This is what I'm going to drain the chicken wings on. like that. See? So I'm going to take out the biggest piece and I'm going to check it with my thermometer. Chicken should be 165. Okay, we're at 170. We are done. We're over 165. And please get a thermometer because it really, really takes all the guessing out of cooking. Okay, our chicken is done and we have 16 minutes left on our black eyed peas and smoked turkey wing. Okay, so we'll be back in 15 minutes. Thank you. Okay guys, here's our feast. We have our black eyed peas with the sun-dried tomatoes and smoked turkey wing. We have some brown rice with some tomatoes and vegetables in it. The fried chicken wings, that now that you know how to fry it with a lot less olive oil. And some cornbread, because you can't have black eyed peas without the cornbread. Okay? Alright, so let me fix a plate and let you see me taste, okay? Let's do it. 1 second. Okay, here we go guys. We have the rice and black eyed peas, the chicken and cornbread. Let's taste. Eating the black eyed peas and rice. Wow, the black eyed peas are nice and soft. Didn't have to soak them at all because of the pressure cooker. Okay, let me get a little piece of cornbread. And our fried chicken wing that you now know how to fry with less oil. And that's for any chicken, guys. Okay? I'm trying to save you a buck. I'm going to break the chicken wing in half. Oh, the flavor. So good, guys. Okay, guys. I brought it home to you. Please make yours and let me know how your frying with less oil works for you. I'm sure you'll be very pleased. Love you, love you. Bye-bye. Please give it a thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Share the video and subscribe, would you? Thank you.